eye itch, huh?
Yeah.
This one's a little stuck in there. And then let me just put a nick on this one right here. Just I can show it better later. Okay, I'm gonna put a little pressure on this one. Yeah, that one was waiting to come out. We must have missed it the last time we did an extraction, huh?
Yeah.
I guess we're paying attention to some other bigger ones, I think.
Yeah, on the other side.
Yeah. This one's stuck in there too. I'm trying to go the other way just to make sure it's gone. There we go. Good. All right, okay. Like interesting, you could hook something on there.
Yeah, and it gets caught and it hurts.
It does hurt. Yeah, so if it doesn't come back, we'll be okay. Do you know what I mean?
Okay.
Does that make sense? Okay. So you shouldn't feel this. Right? You're doing okay?
Yeah.
Good. There we go. All gone. Okay, we're gonna put that in a bowl jar and we'll check that under the microscope. We'll take
You know, it's called the casino.
But it's not really, right?
Nothing to do with gambling.
Okay.
It's got a huge ballroom, and the word casino, we took a tour, and it actually means a place of get-together.
Oh, it
so
does.
there's a theater, and it was a really interesting tour.
You guys had a nice time there then?
We did. In fact, you know her.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, she and I are real good friends.
I could, oh, she's wonderful. I like her.
She's great.
She's got a
She
good
was
head
one
on
of
her
the
shoulders.
gals,
Yeah,
yeah.
her kid is going into medicine now.
He's
already done, yeah. I think
Radiology.
that's right. That's a good one to be into. I'm pushing against you because I want to get all this out. I
Okay.
think I got it all. Good. Oh, let me see. Maybe there's some hiding up in there. There we go. So I gotta work some of it out. That's my shadow
Yeah, she
anyway
and I
here.
were teachers at the same
Oh, you
district
were?
and same school.
Oh.
And so we're both retired now, and we do traveling together, and a couple other gals. And
How many girls went on this trip?
this one was only 3 of us.
That's nice. Do you guys like all share a same room and stuff?
Yeah, we have in the past, you know,
That's
or
good.
sometimes we'll get like adjoining rooms or
Yeah.
whatever.
Must be quite an adventure.
It is.
And a lot
if
of
there's
fun for
4
you
of us,
guys.
we usually need 2 bathrooms, you know.
I can imagine. My goodness, 4 women like that four people of any sort. That's it. All right, you got it. Okay, I'm just gonna squeeze some of these. You have a little bit of rhinophyma here, which causes these dilated follicles of yours. You okay?
Mm-hmm.
Come more straight on, yeah. You have too much of that angle from above. Just some of these. Again, I know it's a little bit uncomfortable, so if I'm really bugging you, you let me know. I'm not gonna push too hard. Because it's like your first time. You see, I'm like the Black Widow. I get in here and trick you, and then the next time I'm really pushing. We've been doing this on some of our gentlemen here that have pretty dilated pores here, and it's made a big difference in their nose, actually. Really decrease the size. So I know it definitely does good. I mean, they can refill again over time, but at least it gets you set at a new level again. You okay, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, good. Push a little bit on this side. I see there's also some on your cheek here. Doing great. Getting it cleaned up somewhat. This is in no way relaxing to you, huh? Some people might find it, but I don't think you're gonna find it because you have bigger ones. I gotta really push on you hard. So no, I would say no, huh?
It's not bad.
It's not bad. Sometimes when I come back at the same area, it will yield the next time. You're doing great. You didn't know you were going to get like a spa treatment almost today. This tip of his nose. These are coming out a little bit better. I think you'll see this will be worth it. Someone, I think that this is gonna do good. Almost there. Just gonna push a little bit here, but these don't want to yield so much, so I'm not going to push too hard. Looks much better though. Do you remember if your dad had rosacea? They had pretty.
Yeah, my dad and my mom both.
Oh yeah, so you're destined then.
Mm-hmm.
They're of Celtic descent, huh? Like they're Irish or Scot, you know?
Yeah,
That same,
both.
that light hair, light eyes, yeah. You're destined to have. Okay, I think I'm pretty much done.
There's a thing right on the side of my nose there that almost looks like a big pimple. You notice that?
Like a bump right here on
Yeah.
the side. Yeah, I did see that. I don't know. Do you think there's something in there?
I don't know. I was wondering what you thought.
I don't think so. But I wouldn't know unless I put a little numbing and kind of nicked it. But it doesn't look like it does. It just looks like it's like a fibrous papule. It doesn't look like a skin cancer either. We'll keep our eye on that one. Yours just need to get primed. Your little pores need to get primed. If we get this softened a little bit, we could really get some of these out of here. But I think this is already doing a nice job on you. You know, be a little lighter after you leave here. I'm telling you. A lot of oil out of these dilated pores. Rhinophyma leads to thickening of the skin and more increased oil deposition in there. You know, you could squeeze your nose really hard and all this kind of white stuff comes out of the pores. So we're just trying to extract some of them out.